Welcome back to Bike Update, the place where we break down the newest bikes, upgrades, and models shaping the riding world. Today, we're diving into a full, in-depth look at the 2026 Coleman B200, the next evolution of Coleman's widely loved mini bike series. Whether you're into camping, trail riding, or just want a simple machine for weekend fun, this model brings a surprising number of thoughtful upgrades worth talking about. Overview of the 2026 Coleman B200. The 2026 B200 keeps the classic mini bike silhouette Coleman fans expect, but nearly every core component has been tightened, strengthened, or refined. Coleman's mission with this update appears clear: maintain the simplicity of the original B200 while enhancing reliability, comfort, and performance. The result is a bike that looks familiar but feels noticeably more modern and capable once you start riding. The new model still focuses on accessibility: no gears to manage, no complex systems, and no steep learning curve. It remains a practical choice for beginners, younger riders, and casual trail users, but the improvements also make it far more appealing for seasoned mini bike enthusiasts. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 B200 is a revised 196 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine, engineered for smoother power delivery and improved fuel efficiency. While it's not meant for high-speed thrills, the focus on torque over top speed makes it excellent for trail climbs, loose dirt, and uneven terrain. Coleman has addressed engine vibration, reducing the shaking that earlier models were known for. This gives the bike a steadier, more controlled feel, especially when riding at mid-range speeds. The throttle response is also more predictable, which helps new riders feel confident right out of the gate. Comfort, control, and handling. One of the most noticeable upgrades for 2026 is the improved comfort. Coleman revised the seat with better padding and contouring, making longer rides far less tiring. The updated handlebar angle helps reduce wrist strain, and the slightly wider foot pegs offer much better stability when standing or maneuvering through uneven ground. The suspension system has been upgraded with better damping, meaning bumps, roots, and rocks are less jarring. Riders who felt earlier B-Series models were too stiff will appreciate the smoother, more responsive ride. All of these changes come together to make the B200 feel like a more grown-up, trail-ready mini bike. Durability and construction. Durability is one of the biggest highlights of the 2026 model. Coleman strengthened the steel frame, reinforcing key weld points that often took abuse on previous generations. The chain guard design is sturdier and quieter, and newer fenders help protect crucial moving parts from mud and debris. These build improvements make the B200 feel more rugged and ready for regular off-road use. It's designed not just for fun weekends, but for years of riding without major breakdowns, an important quality for a mini bike meant to thrive in less than perfect conditions. Maintenance and ease of use. Coleman kept the B200 extremely straightforward to maintain. The carburetor, air filter, chain, and spark plug remain easily accessible, which is great for riders who prefer doing their own basic upkeep. The simplified engine layout also means fewer complications for campers or first-time riders who just want something dependable. Fuel consumption has been tweaked to be more efficient, and the updated tank design helps minimize leaks and vapor loss. These improvements make the bike ideal for longer days on the trail without frequent stops for refueling or repairs. Who the 2026 B200 is designed for. This mini bike is perfect for beginners looking for a stable, predictable ride, campers and outdoors enthusiasts needing a compact trail companion, families wanting a manageable bike for teens or new riders, mini bike hobbyists who appreciate simple mechanics with improved reliability. Its lightweight frame, low seat height, and intuitive riding experience make it accessible for a wide range of users, but the upgraded construction ensures it still delivers plenty of enjoyment for more experienced riders. Final thoughts. The 2026 Coleman B200 is a smart, well-rounded update to one of the most popular mini bikes on the market. It feels sturdier, smoother, more comfortable, and more efficient, all while keeping the straightforward design that made the B200 a classic. If you're searching for a fun, dependable, and easy-to-maintain mini bike for trails, campsites, or backyard adventures, the new B200 deserves serious consideration. Thanks for watching Bike Update. Stay tuned for more breakdowns of the latest rides hitting the scene.